This is a typical exponential problem where we have to find the value of x when 9 to power x minus 6 to power x is equals to 4 to power x. To solve this problem, first we have to rewrite this equation as 9 is equals to 3 to power 2 power x minus 6 is 3 multiplied 2 power x equals to 4 is equals to 2 to power 2 power x, which simplifies to 3 to power 2x minus 3 to power x multiply 2 to power x equals to 2 to power 2x. Now divide by 2 to power 2x on both sides of the equation. So this cancels this 2 to power 2x and this one power cancels this. So this simplifies to 3 divided by 2 to power 2x minus 3 divided by 2 to power x equals to 1. Let's assume if y equals to 3 to power 2x, so this can be written as y square minus y equals to 1, or y square minus y minus 1 equals to 0. Now this is in the form of quadratic equation, so we can find the value of y equals to 1 plus minus square root of minus 1 square minus 4 multiply minus 1 multiply 1 divided by 2 multiply 1. So y equals to, we get 1 plus minus square root of minus 1 square is 1 minus 4 minus 1 is plus, this is equals to 5 divided by 2. So as we assume 3 divided by 2 to power x equals to y, so this is 1 plus minus square root of 5 divided by 2. Now take log on both sides, so this becomes log 3 by 2 power x equals to log 1 plus minus square root of 5 divided by 2, or x multiply log 3 divided by 2 equals to log 1 plus minus square root of 5 divided by 2, or x equals to log 1 plus minus square root of 5 divided by 2 whole divided by, this term comes here, log 3 divided by 2. So this is our answer as the value of x to satisfy this equation of 9 to power x minus 6 to power x equals to 4 to power x.